Hey guys, this is Irvin here. Welcome back. Today we are going to be showing you how to use the RSI in the most effective way to uh, make easily $100 to $800 per day if you trade with rules. So let's go ahead and make this video short and sweet. I do have two guests here in the back end. I had Justin and Luke. They send me their particular pairs they want me to analyze for them. So we're gonna do it here live. So please take your time when you review this video. First thing first, guys, is I wanna show you our rules, how we trade, how we're gonna be trading this particular RSI. So always ask yourself three questions. What is your master trend doing? It's very important for you to understand what is that particular doing if you're gonna be putting your template, your multiple time frame inside of your RSI. If not, this will not apply. But the next question you need to ask yourself, what is your brothers and sisters doing? Remember, you all care is only what real time is kind of about to do in the market. We don't do any back data because back data will never ever make you money. And the last thing you're gonna ask yourself is, what is our 4 hours doing? So remember, this is the rule for the RSI. So always ask yourself, what is the direction of the trend? If you decide to trade a PV against the master trend, make sure you take either 10 or 30 pip max and then get out because you are trading a dangerous zone. And the RSI levels that we have here is the following. It's 84, 75, 63, 36, 25, and 16. Remember, if the PSRs appears, I'm gonna go over, but I just going giving you straight up, the content of what we're gonna be covering. If the PSR appears on the 4 hours, all you have to do is go to the 5-minute and take your position in there. If the parabolics is not on the same direction of the 4 hours, just wait for it if you want to go that route. So that you being more conservative because you are waiting for everything to match. Nothing is wrong with that. Either way, it works fine. But I love 4 hours. 4 hours is everything. And that's what you're gonna be doing. All right. So the formula is 4 hours equal 5 minutes. That is what we're gonna be going over today. So here it is. So remember, this is the level that we just went over. So make sure you go ahead and put it in yourself and go back to the video and check the levels. So this is how I do things, guys. It's very straightforward. So this was Justin sent me this pair here. He want me to analyze this guy, AUD USD. I'm on this pair as a sell, and I bank back and forth, back and forth, back and forth all morning. So as soon as I saw the parabol is going as a bearish, remember, here's the brothers and sisters letting you know the market is sell. We are selling. The market here is a sell position. So as soon as I saw the brothers and sisters in there, if I don't see the parabolics on the other side, I will not get in. I'll wait for it. I don't care what the RSI is telling. The RSI is gonna tell you the it's overbought, right? So oversold, I'm sorry. So you need to wait for it. So wait for it until the signal come in. The signal come in and gave me the first dot coming down. I don't even hesitate to go to the 5 minute. As soon as I saw the first dot, I move into the 5 minutes and bingo. That's all I do. So let's go to the 5 minutes so you can take a look at it. So you can see the 5 minutes, it was a huge drop. Let's put a line here so we will know exactly where it is on the 5 minutes, right? Let me go ahead and remove this. Hopefully the system will not, hopefully it will not start acting up, but let's see. All right, let's go here. Let's see if we can find that pair that we just saw. Look at here. Here's the brothers and sisters on the 4 hours. So all you got to do is boom, take the trade in there and go with it. But where was the PSR at that time? Let's investigate because I don't know. Look at that. Market was in a sell position, right? So all the PSRs were on the right side of the aisle. So all you got to do is take the trade and go with it. That's all I do basically. I do it over and over and over. Look, PSR, we're going with the trend. Why wouldn't you? Now, if you want to exit the trade, some of you guys are Irving, well, where should I exit the trade? Do if you want to exit the trade, you can exit the trade exactly right where you see. This is a support and resistance, to be honest. Support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance, and goes on and on and on. So now you can go ahead and get out right on the other side of the PSR. And then if you want to get back in, then wait when the PSR goes on the same direction of the 4 hours. Remember, you're scalping the market. So that means you are going to be in front of your either your phone or either your PC. It's a work that you need to perform behind scene. Unfortunately, that's how you do it. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. My daughter was coming. So that is good. So this pair is good, guys. To be honest, I'm on this pair as a sell, real time. Let's go. Let's see what real time is doing on this one. Right now, look at that. Right now is doing a going against. This is a perfect example. If you were to be in a trade on this pair here, you bank all this money already. Then this is the time where you can exit and call. That's it. Move on and find the next one, or move on whenever the parabolic is going the same direction of the 4 hours, because the 4 hours is selling. All right. So let's go ahead and do. I think, Justin, you asked to be, what was the other pair? I think it was the US peso, right? Where are you, Justin?
Yeah, US peso or gold.
All right, let's do USD peso. All right. Look, first thing first is we know, what do you think we are doing here? Very, very simple. Look at that, boom. This guy is letting us know market is in a buy. Same thing here. So you already know. So now, since you already know that everything is in a buy, what do you need to do on the 5-minute? Automatically, it's in a buy. Let's go ahead and pull the line here. So we will know exactly where was the signal triggered. The signal was triggered right in this area here. Look, it broke that 36. It came here and they respected your 36, but we still were in a downtrend. There was nothing. Remember, USD peso is in a sell position. So, and it came here, boom, retest your 36. You knew you were going in a buy position. Parabolic move on your favor. All you gotta do is go back to the 5-minute. And 5-minute, like it or not, it is in a buy position. Some of you say, okay, show me, prove me. All right, cool. Let's do that, because proving is all it matters. Let's go ahead. Look at that. Beautiful trades, Justin. What's wrong with that? You could be more conservative and say, Irving, the parabolics is still in a downtrend. Should I wait? Heck yeah. Either you wait or either you go with the trend. 4 hours is giving you the signal. Look at what happened. It was just two candles that you have to wait, and then you bank all this money here. This would be your exit, right? If you want to go that route. Nobody's telling you in 4 hours to get out. You just don't have the stomach to hold that trade or lose that trade. So you can say, you know what, Irving, I'm out. Irving, I'm going back in. What are you going to do? Then thank you for letting me know. Remember, you guys are the signals. We don't pay for signal here. You guys are the signal. You can say Irving, or you can say, look, Luke is on the other side. Look, I'm going in. Are you coming in with me? And I see the 4 hours is telling you the exact same thing what you're seeing. I'm going in with you as well. And then let's say, look, tell me, Irving, I'm gonna exit right now. I would thank him for letting me know, and then do it all over again. Get back in, get out. Get back in, get out. But this means that you're gonna be working on your mobile or either on your PC.
That's a good point. Because I've noticed one of the things that holds me up is the amount of time it takes to go through each pair and toggle through all of them, and then find the exact setup on the 5-minute and the 4 hour, and to be there at just the right moment when the parabolics show up. that's what's, I think, probably kept me out of more trades than not, because I'm obviously trying to work at the same time, but it's hard to catch them right when everything lines up, because you've got like 3 or 4 metrics that you're trying to wait for everything to line up.
Yeah.
And that's where I'm either missing the trade, or sometimes I jump the gun just a little bit and I get in maybe a few candles too early, and then it drops, drops further or goes against me. And I usually just go ahead and close the trade, because I'm trying to scalp and not lose a lot, because I'm only trying to get
Yeah,
a
but
few
don't
bucks.
over trade. Just take it easy. Just take 1 cent trade. Trust me, even 1 cent will make you money. And do that over. Once you build that confidence, it's just like so normal, man, to take trades. But losing is not a good thing. So I highly recommend everyone that is watching to go ahead and start. Either you can practice in a demo, or either you can start study your phone or your PC, and you're gonna start seeing all this setup that has been there for in front of your eyes for a very, very long time, but you just didn't know how to do it. And we want you guys to make money. Look at it this in a simple way, and that's it. Now let's do one pair that Jesus sent me. He sent Euro GBP. I trade Euro GBP. Euro GBP paid me so well. All right, so Jesus, if you want to unmute yourself, please let me know. So this is ready to go. If you want to go ahead and do this one, you are more than welcome to do it.
Oh, that's good to get in for a sale.
Not for sale.
Oh, my bad for scalp. Okay.
Look, we're doing the RSI. So
yeah, forgot about that.
yeah. So in here, since you what's the first thing that you need to look?
Find out the master trend is, and then find out
it's bearish. Okay, now second thing
is the real-time 4-hour. It's in a buy, it's a pullback.
Right.
And then
now you activating your RSI secret. Now, first thing on the RSI, what is your RSI letting you know the market is doing?
It's
right on
it's in a buy.
Yeah, but you will take the buy only when what?
When the when the parabolics are showing up.
That's it. So now in here, you have a buy position. So everything you say is accurate. So all you have to do, since this already happened here, all you got to do is go where?
Drop down to the 5-minute.
All right, cool. And what do you think is on the 5-minute? What do you think the 5-minute is doing? You already gave me the answer on 4 hours. So
it should be buy.
It has to do what you just told me. No choice, because those are the baby time frame. Look at this move, Jesus. All that money. Oops. But what was the parabolic in that time? It was bullish.
Yes, sir.
And then, boom, you take the money with them. Now you can say, Irving, but I don't want it. I don't want to be in a buy position because I'm scalping the market. You remember, you're scalping the markets. Now you don't want to be in a long term, but you can say, or either you can send everyone a signal and say, guys, I'm getting in. And then as soon as you see this guy flipping on the other side, you let everybody know and say, guys, I'm going to get out. Boom, everybody close. Then you can resend another signal and say, okay, I'm getting back in. It's a work that you're doing, but it pays off. It pays better than a full-time job. It doesn't matter what career you have. Mostly the careers, they will pay you anything between $150 to $500 a day. And here, income is no limit. So and you do this over and over and over again. Easy to bank, $15,000, $20,000 a month, even more. Easy. And this is one way. And we are using the multiple time frame. All right, so let me go ahead. So far, so good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Irvin, what's your stop loss that you use on these just to protect yourself?
That is a good question. So remember, your stop loss always have to be on the 4 hours. Give it yourself 20, 30 pip or 40 pip, however you want, below your first parabolics. Always 30, 40 pips in here. That's it. Now you're in profit. So you move in this stop loss right here. You continue in profit now, you move it here. You continue in profit now, you move it here. You go with the trend. Always do that. You know who's really good in doing that? Ali. Pay attention where he puts his pair. He is a perfect example of how he activate his trailing stop. Because making money is easy, but not putting our trailing stop is the most difficult part. All right, let's do one more. Now I'm gonna pick one of yours, Justin. You know what? Someone sent me a pair. Say, Irvin, can you analyze Euro AUD? All right, Justin, let's go ahead and do this together. And then I will give you another one, Jesus, and then we close that training for today. So let's go ahead and do Euro AUD. So let's take a look at the master trend. All right, boom. We know it's bearish.
Bearish.
All right, so we're doing what? A PV, right? That's simple. All right, so now we know what's going on with the trend. We know what brothers and sisters are doing. Now let's go to the RSI mentality. What is your RSI letting you know the market is doing?
It's preparing for a sell.
No, not right now. Remember, look at here. Market is in a buy position. Never translate this guy because there's no signal there. We're looking what's happening right now. Brothers and sisters, letting us know the market is doing in a PV. Yep. So first thing you got to look is say, okay, Irvin, I'm in a buy here, right? You agree? It's letting you know. Okay, same thing in here. So if both of them are telling you the same language, who else needs to get your approval to confirm that that buy is accurate? What is the other step that you need to look?
Parabolics.
That's it. The parabolic was going where?
Up.
Up. Now everything match. So you officially has a valid trade in there. So now let's go ahead and bring our line right where the first parabolic was sitting. It was sitting right here. So what do you think is doing the 5 minute? You already gave me the answer here.
It's going up.
It has to go up, no choice. A lot of people trade backward. They trade using the 5 minute, 30 minute, and so on. That is not a good way to see the market. Look at here. Look at this. You told me the market was doing what? A buy position. Well, what is your parabolic on the 5 minute?
It's up.
It's up. You got to do is go with it. And you can hold it, but look at that movement. Look at how enormous this movement is on the 5 minute. That is how many pips? Got no idea. 151 pips. How many pips do you want? But now you can say, Irvin, I'm gonna tell everybody to get out here. Fine, you grab their 13 pips. That's $13, $130. That could be $1,000. That could be $5. Sure, I take those $5 over, even I take $2. You get out, and then you tell Jesus, and then you tell me, hey guys, I'm going back in. Let's go. Then I get back in with you. Then what was our next movement here? Our next movement was 30 pips. Now we have what? 43 pips? Heck yet. Then we get out. Repeat the same process. Then you go, okay, Irvin. Now I grab 69 pips. Then you go like, damn, this thing works. Or if you're not afraid, you can put your trailing stop and forget about it. Let that thing roll because the 4 hours is telling you I am in a buy position. Look, it's giving us a signal that the market is about to roll back down. There's nothing confirming that. Don't get fooled by what you see. Respect the rule and let the rule follow you. Let's do any question before I do the last one?
I got one. So when you're in your regular swing trade, you get on your scalping account and you go to that trade and you scalp it.
This is what I do. One trade, one of my account, I like to trade from Monday 9 to 9:30 a.m. and I get out on Friday between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. and automatically activate my trailing stop between anything from 60 to 80 pips. If the market takes me out, I'm not gonna add any more trade for that particular order. I just let it go. Then usually, sometimes it just take me out probably on Wednesday, Thursday, and I don't get back in. And this is the way how I do it. Very
Okay,
straightforward.
but on your scalping account, on your account that you use for scalping, do you go to that same pair and scalp that one as well?
Yeah, sometimes I do that.
Okay.
Sometimes I do that.
How much time would you say you spend scalping each day?
I do it about 2 to 3 hours a day, and it pays off. Look at today, guys. I'm not lying. Look at today. What do you think I made today? Look.
Wasn't it 700 something, or was that yesterday?
That's today. Look, last week was $310. Right now, I'm up $820. Look at what Thursday is doing, $820. So far, scalping this week is $2,010. A month is $8,000. A year is $96,000. Look who I'm missing. I'm missing Friday. Last Friday was 175. I got no data for this. My goal is to beat previous week. I beat previous Thursday. So, and I do that over and over and over again. Look at this one, 230. That was Wednesday. Previous Wednesday was $780. So now what I do is when I complete this, I delete the previous week and I mark it off. So next week I'm gonna leave this and I'm gonna try to beat them over and over again. That's all I do. I mean, how much money you need? I'm telling you, man, $800 a day. That's what we titled this, to make anything from $100 to $800 if you stick with what you are doing. And I think who was Eric? Eric, I think he said that he put a trade overnight and he banked like $80. He sent me a private message. I mean, it's simple, man. All right, let's do one more.
Before we move on, so with regards to like when you post your snapshot on your phone of your account, I noticed that there's usually, well, I don't know if I've ever seen a loss on there. Would you say your winning rate is like 100% on your scalping?
Dude, I've been 100%. Showing you week after week. It's because I mean, in and out, I'm just copying. In and out. I just take the order when it's ready. It's ready. I take it. I don't sleep on my money. If the trade is giving me $5 and I see look, one thing that I'm forgetting, guys, make sure your candles are green and red, right? Don't just don't use the Tron Amazing. Please don't do that. That's the worst mistake you're gonna do. Use exactly what you see in here. Bar up, line, bar down, red. So you need to understand every single movement the market is doing, because you're copying the market. As soon as I see the red candle dropping, if I'm very healthy in that account, I take those 20, 50, $80, I'm out. Because I don't want that $80 to lose $30, $40. I take it and that's it. And then I wait for that reversal and I re-enter it back again. But I know I'm going with the trend. Okay, that's
So,
one thing.
so 100% win rate, basically.
So far, yeah, so far.
So when, okay, like where the magic arrow is right now on the buy on this pair.
Let's do another one because we already discussed this one. Let's do gold. I think Justin sent a order on gold. All right, we all know gold is doing what? Selling, right? But this is, I don't think this is a good example, Justin. Market already pay is it been in a sell for a very long time.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
Yeah, so let's do I don't know. What about come on, with the AUD USD?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do GBP JPY. This is a good one. This would be a good one. So I don't know what's the trend here. I think this is a great pair to be in it. Someone gave me, oh no, this is not a good one. I'm trying to find something that is going with the trend. Let me check my phone because I think I'm still in a trade. And how long? 30 minutes. That's not a bad deal.
What we need to do,
Sometimes,
is actually do a trade like right now live. Is there one that we could actually practice on now? Can you execute on this account?
let's do AUD JPY. Let's do that one. AUD JPY is a good for a sell. I'm in that one as a sell right now.
Me too.
Okay. AUD JPY, where is it? Let's take a trade on that one. That would be a good practice to take a trade in the early stage.
Yeah, we could go through the whole process and just go through and find a pair that's got a good setup and go with it.
Yeah, and always trade in the direction of what the trend is doing at that present time. Just do that, man, and your winning ratio will be better. And one thing that I forgot, guys, on the indicator that I created, you're gonna get the signal only on the lower time frame. All right, so I'm gonna sell on this one. Look, and I enter at a bit early. I think there's a first stop, but it's carrying by the magenta arrow. So everything is telling me here, we know we're in a sell position. So brothers and sisters, pop in. This guy here is letting me know this is way oversold here basically. So when I came back here, all I did is I went to the 5 minute. I've been doing this for a while, man. Not long time, but I already mastered every piece of it. And all I did is I just ended on the 5 minute and look at that movement right here. Look, look, Jesus says that he's in it. If you're gonna sell here, you are on profit.
Yes, sir, I am.
You are. You have to be. There's no choice. There's nothing letting you know the market's in a buy position. So let's say we take a position here, right? That's a bit late. Well, you can wait for the reversal of the PSR to reverse. This is not, I don't think it's a good way to end it right now. I will wait for the PSR to return on the other side, then go with the trend. Because right now I'm fighting the wave. I'm going against. Then that's not a good thing because the trend is letting you know the market is in a sell. But look, this is a good one to be in it. But right now, to be honest, this trade is way too late, man. To me, it has dropped how many pips? Yeah,
Agreed. I wouldn't.
Yeah, that's a long. That's a lot of pips in there. If I will say the market now, to be honest, it has to reverse back to this level here, and then we're gonna start seeing more parabolics coming down, and then from there, yes, you can enter on the way back down. Okay. But I think that's what the market is gonna do, guys. But this is not a good one to enter right now. It's too late. When it's too late, it's too late. Just be patient. Let the market reverse back to normal and then get back in. Because you want to be in a sell, but this is not a good example.
This is the kind of situation I feel like I'm in a lot, is I sit and I'll analyze it and then I'll eventually talk myself out of it.
Yeah, but just write it down, Justin, and say, you know, I have to see the parabolic going on my favor. If it's fresh, let's say the parabolic is, let me go ahead and put it here. Let me go ahead and activate this guy. There you go. Let's say we start seeing things here. So the market is sitting right at this level here. So, and it's not moving. So it's going from back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Then I don't mind. I go to the 5 minute and I enter automatically. Because anyway, you're still gonna be a negative for at least, you know, 1 or 2 hours. And then finally, patient pays the bill, and then boom, that drop will compensate all the time that you were waiting. That's what I do. I just don't get scared anymore, because my stop loss is here. If a spike, trust me, it's not gonna spike 100 pips unless if there's a heavy news that we don't know. But from there, market, look what happened. Market is dropping as we speak. But right now, this drop is way too late. There's no opportunity for us to be in there. Unless, let me see, let me check if I'm trading another one.
Yeah, you could go through just a few, see if maybe there's a setup somewhere. See if we can find one.
All right, let's do Euro GBP. Euro GBP looks good. That's in a buy position. The market is in a sell position, but it's nah. What else? AUD Canadian. They would do AUD Canadian. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold is too late. USD GBP USD is too late as well. USD CHF. Ah, look at this one. USD CHF.
Yeah,
it's getting ready. So this is what I think the market is gonna do. So what is this guy doing? Let me see here. I don't like this buy position either. See here, it's missing the daily. So this is not a good example. Look at that. Market's still in a buy position, still pushing up. Even that this guy is letting know it's gonna reverse. No, don't trust that, man. It's not ready yet. This was a perfect example, but it's too late. Oh, this is exactly what I was telling you guys. You see there? You're seeing that bullish candle taking place now. Usually when I'm in so deep profit, then I just get out. I say, you know what? This candle is gonna reverse back. It's gonna most likely it's gonna come to this level here, and then it's gonna drop. Then I just get out, and then I re-enter it here, and then make more money down. But I will not. I can't afford losing this money here. That's what I don't have. You don't see me going to negative, and those are real trades, man. I'm not putting any demo, nothing like that. I'm here to make money, man. I'm not here to make money on demo. It's BS, man. But yeah, guys, that's all it is, man. Let's go to questions, and then if you guys don't have any question, then we close it here. All right, let's start with Justin. Justin, you got any question?
Yeah, did you say that you were going to do a live session of actual trading? Was that, or did I misunderstand you on your team message earlier?
I thought this is what you guys want me to do, a video explaining your.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is very helpful. There's been a few channels I've seen on YouTube where the traders are doing, well, live or demo or whatever it is, where they're actually executing trades. And I've learned a lot from that, from just the nuance of like what the candle looks like and what they're avoiding and how they're setting their stops and so forth, and their trailing stops. It, a picture's worth 1,000 words. I didn't know if you could do a live session where you're just like for like 20-30 minutes or an hour and just let it play out and just post it for us to watch.
I think we can do that on Tuesday. Instead of doing something else, everyone can see. Like the good, what I want is, because anyway, the guys are gonna get to see this video, is on Tuesday, prepare 2 of your pairs, but make sure the pairs are correctly, everything line up. Another trader come up with another 2 pairs, another 2 pairs like that, then I can bring it up to live, and then we take the trades in there, and then I'm gonna go over with the explanation. And then as soon as we start seeing profit, then I'm gonna ask either you want to get out or either you will still want to let in. But greed cannot take control of your life. Once you're in profit, it means you're in profit. Take the money and walk away, because greed is very, very, it's a devil in my opinion. So make sure you're in profit, take the money and run, man. But yes,
Okay,
we can do that on Tuesday if you want.
So you're saying you're going to do you're going to record some of your own trading, or you want to do it as a team?
Yeah, I think it's better as a team. We all learn, because trust me, even if I do it myself, because myself, I'm quick. I don't have the feeling. I'm not gonna be asking you. I'm gonna get out. I'm happy with what I see. I'm out. I grab my money. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. And then I'll go look, search the market, look for more opportunity, cash it in, back up. That's what I do. But if we do it as a team, then I will ask once we're in profit, are you satisfied? Yeah, you can say yes. And then by you seeing other traders not happy with probably $5 or $7 in profit, you're gonna be like, damn, that's bad, man. I don't mind grabbing $5 and walk away, but for other traders, $5 is really nothing. But for me, it's a lot, because it will add up to the chunk of money that I have overall at the end of the week.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right, so but we're gonna do that. I think that will help you and will help many other traders as well. All right, Jesus, what about you? What's your questions?
So on this particular trade right here, you said that you would go ahead and close it out, wait for the pullback, and then jump back in.
Yeah. This is a perfect example. And here, why? Because I'm seeing this guy here. If you go to the 5 minute, the 5 minute is already going bullish. Let me go. Let's go to the 5 minute and then we.
Yeah, because I'm in this one. I'm up 167 pips.
Dude, what I would tell you to do, if I would be you, I'll get out, man. This is you in deep profit here. Or either move your trailing stop so close, maybe somewhere in this level 72,385. Put it in there. Most likely it's gonna take you out. And then boom, it's gonna reverse. But this is exactly, that is a perfect example, Justin. You see, this is how we're gonna get to learn from each other. Like Jesus is in profit, man, 165 pips, that's a lot. Now, if he wants to, he can just go ahead and close and call the day, close the day in profit and say, okay, I'm happy with what I got. Or either greed can kick in and say, you know what, I'm not happy, Irving. I want 200 pips, like it or not. And then the market don't satisfy his need, then he's gonna be mad. So that is something very crucial. That is very difficult, man. I don't know if anyone can really translate that, but Jesus, all I can say is, to be honest, if I would be you, put it somewhere in there, or either get out, man.
Yeah, I just closed them out. I was happy with the profit on it.
Yeah, all I know, this guy's gonna reverse, man. It will hit your stop loss, and then you will be like, damn, I lost $30-40. For what? Why would you lose $30-40, dude? Just grab your money and walk away.
A couple of times. Like on Wednesday, I was up like 480 pips on that RDNZD. And it started pulling back, and I was like, "Oh man!" It's like, "Damn, I don't want it to pull back anymore." So I just closed it out.
Look, that is the secret, Jesus. That is the secret. When you are satisfied, grab your money, walk away from your PC, and you don't see it, because if you stay in front of your PC, your fingers are gonna get so tempted, and you're gonna click back again. Oh, it's doing a buy. Let me go in a buy position, and then everything goes wrong. Then you're back to negative. No, But what you did is, that's exactly what I repeat over and over and over again.
Okay, cool.
And
Hey,
that's
Irving,
it. Yes, sir.
on the whenever we do the live session together to put on some trades, can we do that maybe earlier in the morning? So whenever the market's more active and moving around, I find it gets a little dry and stagnant, you know, towards 5, 6 o'clock like it is now.
Sure.
Would that be possible? Just so that there's just more volatility and things are moving, so we can make
Absolutely.
some.
I don't mind.
That'd be great.
If you guys, we can do it on Wednesday is our full week analysis. Yes, we can do it on or either on Monday. I can do it, and then yeah, let's do it on Monday, probably like around 9:30. Hopefully everybody will agree right after the market news has passed and everybody is fresh.
Okay, that's what I.
So I think that will help many other traders as well. But yeah, step by step, we're gonna master everything. Okay, guys. So thank you again, and so I will see you back on Saturday for our pre-week and Sunday for our full week analysis. And then Monday, 9:30, we're gonna meet and we're gonna start taking real trades live. Make sure that you do find at least two pairs of yours, so like that you will learn from your own trades. And I don't mind to be here in the back end and do it with you. All right. So thank
Appreciate all
you.
your efforts, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. Take care, guys.
Bye.
Bye.